All right, it is is it day 5?
I have no idea.
I cannot remember. Busy day already. We were up and at 'em. We rushed over to Cosmo because we're at Aria, but we're checking into Cosmo today. So we got a room tour coming up on today's edition of the vlog, and this is a brand new room for us at Cosmo. We've stayed at Cosmo before, but this is a different kind of room. Totally comped, which is pretty rad. Comes with some additional comps as well, so we're looking forward to that. What else? Oh, CSIM on X or Twitter. Big ups, letting us know, hey, now that you've got to gold, don't forget to use the priority check-in room at Cosmo.
That was amazing.
Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So big thanks to CSIM for reminding us that we've got access to that. After we get through all of this, we tried to get early check-in, and they were super nice, but they were like, it's pretty early. It was like 9:15 when we were there. So that's not going to fly. We're going to pack our crap, drop our bags over back at Cosmo, over to Alexxa's for breakfast with Ashley's aunt and uncle.
Bottomless Mimosas.
And you know what that means. Bottomless Mimosas. Not wearing a helmet. It must be an exercise. Yeah, he's wearing shorts. Are you upset?
Well, you're obnoxious.
I am not.
Yeah, you're obnoxious.
This is what happens when you walk a little bit faster than the other people in your party in Vegas. My people are somewhere in that crowd. See if you can spot Ashley. Oh. Look how angry she looks. There she is. She's mad at me because I left her behind. they must have been, we must have had to be here for it. All right, we'll put the name of the room in the video because I forget it. But this is the Chelsea Tower, Cosmo, obviously. Sitting area, living room, mini bar, no fridge, except for the mini bar fridge. Storage, I guess, if you want it, but who's putting crap underneath there? Plenty of storage here. And then I believe the safe should be in the other one. There it is. This is the washroom. His and her sinks. Self-explanatory. And this is probably the pièce de résistance shower. Step into the, I think they call these the Japanese silver tub.
Yeah.
Pretty outstanding view of New York, New York. And Park MGM from the tub, if you're so inclined. Obviously the bedroom area. Another TV. This is where Ash just was. There is like a shade if you want to have some privacy. And obviously what everybody wants a Cosmo room for. A balcony. So we are south side facing. And I'm okay with that. That's where we're going tonight. T-Mobile. Beyond that, Allegiant, where the Raiders play. Obviously, Park MGM. And still one of my favorite places to stay and play. New York, New York. This is the Aria. We were actually just at the Aria. And we would have been facing that way. No. Beg your pardon. Our room was facing this way because we had a bit of a view of Planet Hollywood. Anyway, that's that. Beautiful, as always, here at the Cosmo. This is totally comped. We would have had to pay our resort fees, but we hit gold. So we are resort fee free for 2025. So yeah, not paying 1 cent. And we actually have additional comps, including, I think, 150 free play and 150 in dining credits here.
A few moments later.
What?
How much did you pay for those Pringles in the minibar?
$12. I was really hungry.
Jesus fucking Christ. I'm broke.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, very quick, whatever day it is, halftime report. You saw it. Crushed a few mimosas. Lost track of the day. Decided that I needed to come and hit the reset button with a nap. Ashley came too. She's downstairs. She's already going to be mad at me because I don't know, man. My life's in shambles. I was having a tough time getting everything together. We're on our way to New York, New York, and then eventually T-Mobile. We're going to check out the Vegas Golden Knights taking on the Philadelphia Flyers. Should be a good time.
they know something greater stirs. This power, I sense it. It does not rise. It swells like a storm, unseen, yet felt in every corner of the realm. Go, Golden Knight, defend this realm from what has come. For the enemy from the east is here.
The first period is brought to you by McDonald's. Braden McNabb. Time of the goal, 18:22. That concludes the second period.
All right, Vegas. Oh, God. Oh, God. Come on, boys. Do it for me. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Where was this effort from the Flyers all game long?
That's what they do.
Fresh legs. Okay.
Credit one.
There you go. There you go. What the hell are you doing? Why wouldn't he have just shot it on the empty net? Okay, shoot it on the empty net, boys. Okay, there you have it. There's whatever day it is. It's Thursday today. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 5 days. Day 5, still 2 to go. Friday, Saturday, and then all day Sunday, actually. I have to say that Vegas Golden Knights game, it worked out pretty well for me. I hit on all 3 of my tickets. I had the Flyers to score first. I had the Knights to win, and I had the Knights to win by 3. And they managed to seal the deal with an overtime, or beg your pardon, an empty netter. So, yeah, great night, all in all, a lot of fun. And we are back at it tomorrow. No real plans for the good first portion of the day, but we're checking out swingers at Mandalay Bay, the mini golf. And in the meantime, I think I'm going to enjoy hanging out on the balcony here at Cosmo for a bit. Again, where else in the world but in Las Vegas do you get these views? Make sure you like and subscribe. Another vlog for tomorrow's action coming your way in about a week. What is up, Las Vegas fans? Hey, if you enjoyed watching that video, it would mean the world to Ashley and I. If you hit subscribe, if you hit like, if you shared some of the content, we would really appreciate it.